Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is PMS, subject Social Studies, grade 7, lecture number 72. Chapter number 19, Pakistan 1947 to 71 and beyond. Today we will discuss page number 98 and 99 of this chapter. So open your books, page number 98. The Zia's era from 1977 to 88. General Ziaul Haq began to return the country into a strict Islamic state. He promised elections, but when they finally came in 1985, he was the only candidate and there were no political parties. Zia became more and more autocratic. This decade also saw the involvement of Pakistan in the Russia-Afghan War. There was great unrest in the country, and then in 1988 Zia was killed in a most mysterious air crash near Bahawalpur. Democracy was restored and Benazir Bhutto, who had returned from exile in 1986, became Prime Minister, the first female Muslim head of the government after elections in 1988. However, in 1990 she was dismissed because of allegations of corruption and other economic problems. Nawaz Sharif then became Prime Minister but was forced to resign by army 3 years later. Benazir Bhutto was re-elected in 1993, but in 1996 she was made to resign again because of allegations of corruption. Once more, Nawaz Sharif became the Prime Minister. In October 1999, the Army Chief General Pervez Musharraf and his senior officers were on a commercial flight from Sri Lanka to Pakistan when it was ordered by Nawaz Sharif to be diverted out of the country. No doubt there were measures that if it did so and landed in a nearby country, the journal would not be allowed to return. But by great skill, contact was made with the army and the plane landed at Karachi. The assemblies were dissolved and General Musharraf assumed the role of leader of the country. This was obviously not democratic, but the ends sometimes justify the means. The military government gave the country 7 years of stable government at a very difficult time indeed for Pakistan and the Muslim world. The events of 11 September 2001 in New York and Washington strongly impacted Pakistan's internal and external situation and its economy. General Musharraf introduced devolution of power. This is a local body system. Devolution of power means decentralization of power. इख्तियारात की निचली सतह तक मुंतकली transfer of power at grassroots level. So elections were held for the offices of Nazims. Elections to national and provincial assemblies were held on 30 April 2002. Musharraf became president. General Musharraf's presidency was extended for 5 years till 2007 after a referendum on 30 April 2002. Referendum is a kind of election in which a question is put on a ballot paper and no and yes was given as an option with it. Internal insecurity due to retaliation by militant for the government's support of the West war on terror and problems with judiciary dogged the Musharraf government. The exiled leader of the two main political parties, Benazir Bhutto and Nawaz Sharif, were allowed to return to Pakistan and participate in the elections to be held in January 2008. Sadly, Benazir Bhutto was killed in an election rally in Rawalpindi on 27 December 2007, an event which shocked Pakistan and the international community. Elections took place in February 2008 and were won by the PPP. The current Prime Minister is Syed Yusuf Raza Gilani and the President is Asif Ali Zardari, co-chairman of the PPP. A return to total democracy is in sight, though a strong central government has been essential in the current context. Note your homework. Do reading of page number 98 and 99.